Sometimes it's really great to get back to the basics. So today we're going to review and practice the basic 5. That's hundreds, roll up, single leg circle, rolling like a ball, and spine stretch. We're going to use a band to make it nice and fun today. So go ahead and take a seat, find a mat. I'm not going to use it because on roll up it always crumples under my feet, but feel free to use it. It'll help protect your spine, especially on rolling like a ball. Take that seat and then exhale, roll down to the mat. You can lay in Pilates resting position with your legs about hip distant. And then spread the band nice and wide. And then tuck your knees up into your chest. Place the band around the balls of your feet. Curl your head, neck, and shoulders to just begin to scoop those abbies. And then release down. Find a nice tension along the band. And just find an easy breath. Inhaling, let your belly expand into your thighs, and exhale, pull that belly button away. Check in with your jaw, your neck, your shoulders. Make sure everything is nice and easy. We're going to move through these exercises. Let's take a big inhale, and then exhale, push through those heels and curl up. This is the warm-up. Inhale, breathe. Exhale, push and extend through those heels and release back down. Exhale, reach. Find that long torso for hundreds. Inhale and exhale like a little seesaw. And exhale, let's stay up for the arm pumps. And X, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in. And X, in. Don't forget to smile. X and in. And X and in. And X and in. Easy shoulders. Watch that navel. Watch that belly button scoop down on the exhale. Expand on the inhale. And X and in. And X. And in. One long X. And return home. It's amazing how fast hundreds is over sometimes, huh? Take a big breath in, extend those legs for roll up. Again, we're going to move through. Inhale, supple that belly. Exhale, pull that navel down and roll. Head, neck, belly, wide elbows. Big breath in, maintain that curl and articulate back down. Inhale and exhale, hollow. Use that band. That's why we have it. Inhale, fold, and exhale, articulate. Pelvis, ribs, shoulders, head. Supple, hollow. Exhale, scoop. Use the band. Pull it wide. Pull the elbows wide. Inhale, exhale, roll back down. 2 more. In and exhale, scoop. Wide, widen those collarbones. Dive over. Inhale and exhale. And last time, exhale, flat belly, round spine, long legs. Inhale, dive, and exhale, descend with control. Excellent. Leg circles. Take one leg out, point that ankle, reach through that leg. Other leg floats up, and just take a few moments here to breathe and anchor the backs of the tops of your arms. Good, enjoy that. Here we go for circles. Inhale, across and around. In and exhale. And in, and X, grounding that pelvis in, and X, pause, and then we reverse it. Let the forearms move. Keep those wrists nice and strong. And around, and around, and around, and around. Reach through the top. Keep that leg long, and release down. Step into it, and other leg. Reach up through that heel and just enjoy that sense of floating. Ground your upper arms. Big breath in. And then good. Carry that leg across and exhale. Finish the circle. In and X. And nice easy hip socket. Nice grounded sacrum. In and X and reach and reverse. Fall and sweep. In and X. Good. Let the forearms move. Keep those wrists nice and strong. Check in with your neck. In and X. Reach at the top. And then good. Release that leg down. Put your other foot in And transition, roll up. Inhale, supple. Exhale and articulate, articulate, articulate. Wide collarbones. Dive over those legs. Release the band and just sit nice and tall. For rolling like a ball, we're gonna tie ourselves up. So get the band nice and fat. Take it underneath your armpits. Sit nice and tall once you have that. And then exhale, gently curl back. And then fold those knees in and really tie yourself up. Take a big breath in and find your balance. Nice and easy, hollow front body, open back body. And let's go for it. Inhale, tip back. Exhale, propel yourself to balance. Inhale and exhale. And inhale and hollow. And inhale, nice easy neck and exhale. And inhale, balancing right behind that sacrum. Excellent. Transitioning right away to spine stretch. Lengthen those legs. Flex out through the heels. Grow tall. Imagine your spine is stacked against a wall. Big breath in to find even more length through that plumb line. Extend the elbows. Exhale, peel head, chest, ribs, belly, and that pelvis stays nice and tall. Inhale, grow tall, and release the arms. Exhale, extend and curl, hollow. It's called spine stretch, not hamstring. So we're not really folding forward. Rather, we are scooping deeper into the abdominal cavity. Take a big breath in and then exhale, curl, 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 curl until all the breath is gone. Inhale. Fill your whole spine up with length. And then again, exhale, dive forward. Keep that pelvis vertical like it's a bowl of water. No spillage, please. Inhale, rise. One last time, exhale. Enjoy that tension. Feel your rib cage press back into the band while you reach forward. And then lengthen up, up, up. Then release the band, release your arms. There you have it, the basic 5. Savor the Sayezz in you today and always.